This is Nepenthes petiolata. There are 3 plants hanging here, quite large ones, of the, selected from the assorted clones we sell under a single BE code. Have a quick look at the lower pictures. There's one with a slightly striped peristome. All these are definitely true petiolata. The plant next to it, if I can get to it, it has a darker peristome. So moving along the row of plants here, the form is really quite consistent. Doesn't change that much. Coloration of the peristome, just a little bit. They'll have this characteristic deep red pitcher body with a slight flecking to it. We don't have any upper pitchers to show you yet. We have some intermediates, a little difficult to reach. Let's go up here. There's an intermediate. You can see from the tendril, that's an intermediate. So it has colour as well. Just vestigial wings on the front of the pitcher body. As I mentioned, we don't have an upper that's formed right now, but we do have one that's forming here. Let's have a look if I can get up there. It's difficult to reach. You can probably see that the plant above it, or the stem above it's moving, so it's a large vining plant. But this one's going to form. This will be an upper pitcher. No wings on the pitcher. You can see the twirl in the tendril. And it's going to have coloration to it. So it'll be quite interesting to look at that later as it develops. Coming back down again. Final look at these lower pitchers. Very attractive clusters of pitchers on this. Really nice. Nepenthes petiolata.